Hey, what's up guys, Houston here, and for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my favorite patrons, always double salute. Now, today's video is a very disappointing video because it actually affects your life. In today's video, we're talking about Equifax giving out fake credit reports. That's right, Equifax has been giving out fake credit reports, credit numbers, and the thing about it, now they're just coming out admitting it. Now, for those of you that may rely on Equifax to give you your credit report, if you notice, when you go to Equifax and you sign up, they will give you a Vantage score, right? But here's the problem. 90% of banks, they actually pull your FICO score, not your Vantage score, okay? And so that's one way they're actually screwing you over. If you want to actually get your real FICO score, click the link in the description. Now, here's the other way that Equifax is screwing you over. With Equifax, again, just this past spring, they finally admitted it that they had been giving out the wrong credit scores. And so, what do you're probably wondering, like, what do you mean? Well, this past spring, people were applying for car loans, credit cards, mortgages, and their credit scores were actually 20 points lower than they actually were. Now, here's the other interesting thing about it. People that didn't have credit scores, credit reports or credit scores, their actual credit scores was up in the 700s, and they didn't even have a file. So this is why this is happening with Equifax. Now, they're just coming out to admit this, but I'm pretty sure they've been doing this a long time. Just like when they did when they had admitted about the data breach in 2019, or excuse me, 2017. The thing about it, they well knew that they was actually doing a data breach, okay? And that means that over 150 million people, Social Security numbers, addresses, names, and stuff are all out on the internet. All right, so it's unfortunate, but this is what has happened with Equifax. And also, I've been having clients that's been trying to get access to their Equifax credit file through my FICO, but my FICO has been having challenges pulling their Equifax credit report. Now, I'm thinking that this is possibly some of that data breach that's happening or whatever, but at the same time, I don't want to speculate too much because that may not be the case. But for clients' consistency of having issues with trying to get their Equifax credit file, I think it's a real issue. All right, now if you're an individual that's trying to fix your Equifax credit report, then I would definitely encourage you to follow a complaint with the CFPB if Equifax is not being in compliant. All right, so this is Houston with three-way funding. I just wanted to bring you up to date on what's happening with the Equifax data breach and the inaccuracy of Equifax credit scores. Thank you.